Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ielts Winner. Hope you are doing fine and staying safe. So today we are going to see lesson number 2 as to first type of essay writing, that is how to write a discuss essay with or without opinion. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and watch our previous lessons. And if you are a member of our classes, then like, share and subscribe, as well as tell other students about our free classes. So let's begin. Today we are going to see how to tackle a discuss essay. Suppose the question is like this. As you can see on your screens, the question is about discuss and give your opinion. So here, some people think robots are very important to human future, while others, okay? So some people, okay? So first group of people say that it's very important for human development. What? The robots. The other set of people, the second set of people, think they are dangerous and have bad impact on society. So whenever you get a discuss essay, there will be two group of peoples which will have confusion or have conflict regarding a topic. Something is good, something is bad, or this is better or that is better. So when you get a discuss essay, the first thing you need to do is analyze what is the main topic. So here, if you look at the question, the main topic is robot. That is, people want to understand whether using robots is good or it is bad. So that is our main topic. Next thing we need to do is we need to decide what are our views. That is, what I have to write in BP1 and what I have to write in BP2. Once we are sure about that, then only we can progress with our question. So once you get a question, first decide what are your two views and gather 2 points for each view. So here, when you see some people, so that first set of people is your view 1, and the other things, while the other set of people are your view 2. So whenever question you get about discuss, you will always have two set of people. Group 1 saying this is good or bad, and group 2 saying something else. So that some people and few people, whatever they are saying, that is your view 1 and view 2. So here, what is our view 1? Our view 1 is the importance of robots. And your view 2 is about the bad impacts on society. Okay, so your view 1 is how good it is for the society in future, and view 2 is how bad it is. So in paragraph 1 you will be writing about the view 1, and in paragraph 2 you will be writing about view 2. So whenever you get an essay, you have to first analyze what are my two views, and then you have to discuss your points. Understand what points I'm going to write on these two views. Okay, so what are the importance for future? Maybe aid in heavy workloads and medical and minute procedures that people cannot do, these can do in future. That is micro surgeries and all. And view 2, the bad effects of having robots. So unemployment or taking control of humans, all these kind, whatever points you get on those things, you just draft it in the rough pad or the rough area of the question paper, so that when you are writing your essay, you are not confused or you are not wasting your time thinking what should I write. So the first 5 to 6 minutes you have to do these things. Once you are clear with the main topic and what are my views for body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2, after analyzing and drafting your essay, now the next step you have to do is form your essay. It will be quite easy for you to write your full body paragraphs if you have drafted and analyzed your essay well. So as usual, your first will be your introduction, where you're going to write a general statement that is on the topic, and then you have to write your thesis statement and opinion statement. If the question is asking discuss both views and give your opinion, give your opinion. If it is not asking, you just have to move on. Then in body paragraph 1 you are going to write your view 1. So you will write a topic statement for view 1. You will give support as to why view 1 is good, bad, or whatever the view 1 is. Explain, then support point 2, explain, and then give example. After that you will be writing body paragraph 2 for view 2 in the same way, that is 2 support point, 2 explanations and 1 example. Again in conclusion there will be only 2 lines, 1 line about summarization and 1 line about your opinion. If the question is not asking your opinion, do not worry, just leave it and just summarize that what this essay discussed, and both summarization, that is what on the whole you have understood, you have to write that. Now, the most important thing while writing discuss essay is the phrases and the vocabularies that we can use. So when you are writing your thesis statement, instead of writing some people, few people, some section of group, other section of group, so instead of saying people synonym, some people think, other people think, with the question will almost have, use these kind of different phrases or sentences to show your higher level of vocabulary and grammar structure. So instead of saying few personages, other personages, just say there is a perpetual dilemma. Because discuss essay is an argumentative essay, writing conflict, dilemma, discussion, uh, conflict in the opinion, these kind of words will help you to show that you have understood the argumentative type of essay. So you can say there is a perpetual dilemma as to whether view 1 is acceptable or view 2 should be considered. So whatever view 1 is, you have to paraphrase this. So here, what is the view 1? That robots are important for human future development. So you can write, there is a perpetual dilemma as to whether using androids is essential for upcoming years, or it has drastic impact or dangerous impact on the society should be considered. So you just have to include the view 1 paraphrased version and view 2 paraphrased version. Similarly, you can also write, an ongoing conflict can be seen regarding the acceptance between the positive use of androids or the dangerous effects of it. Or you can say the split in support can be seen for view 1 and view 2 among deciders. So you can use these statements to start your thesis statement in introduction, rather than using synonyms and saying the same sentence structure, some people, few people. Now when you start your body paragraph 1, instead of starting with the old repetitive thing that every students write, you can use different statements like these to show your higher skill of sentence structure. So instead of saying to begin with, to embark upon, to start with, use these kind of sentences. Scrutinizing the first stance, beginning with the former viewpoint, understanding the first angle, supporters of the first mentioned stance, favoring the first viewpoint. So this is starting of the topic statement, which not only shows that which viewpoint you are going to say, but also shows that you are something different from the other students who are going to write the same old sentences as to start with, to begin with, firstly, all these kind. So it will give you a boost to get 7 plus easily. Similarly, to start BP2, instead of saying on the other hand, on the other side, on the flip side, you can use these phrases. Moving ahead to latter point of view, opponents, however, have different perspective and stand with latter opinion. Proponents of other outlook, thinking of opposite school of thought is that, elucidating the position of latter view. So you can use these phrases to start your second body paragraph for discuss essay. Now you can see the sample answer here. So how you should construct. So when you look at the sample answer, you can see there is a general statement, okay, and this is a thesis statement where I am using there is a conflict as to whether. Instead of saying few people, other people, I have used this whether or structure, and then I am giving my opinion. Clear opinion should be given. Don't say both sides will be discussed before coming to a conclusion. Don't say before coming to a conclusion. Give your clear conclusion in the intro itself. This will save you of third body paragraph that you exclusively write for your opinion essay and get repetitive words. That will not help you to get more, but it reduces your bands. So instead, just include your conclusion, your opinion in the intro as well as in the conclusion. Then you can start your body paragraph 1. You have to start with a phrase, give your topic statement, and then use some phrases. So all these skybooklers are phrases or connectors which helps you to start your sentences. You should always start the sentence with a phrase, a clause, or a subordinative clause. This will boost your complex structure formation. So all these blue colors are your connectors, subordinated clauses with which you should start your topic statement or your explanations or your example. The gray color ones are your topic statements that are not linkers but sentences, or you can say a subordinate clause to show your higher sentence structure. So you can pause the video and read how to write this discuss essay along with the ideas that I have given. If it is useful, do share with other students as much as possible so everyone can get help with it, and keep subscribing and liking our channel for the daily updates on different kind of essays and predictions. All the best. See you in the next video.